must say yes, nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no one know. Scratch it, you must answer. Body calling, you must say yes, nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no one know. When body don't charge you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes.
Where are you going to this night?
I'm going to all-night choir rehearsal. Mama, help me. Zip it.
All-night choir rehearsal? You mean after all this stress in the church and the wedding reception, you will not sleep here this night?
Mama, I am the lead vocalist in the choir. Without me, they will be singing la lolo, la lolo. It will not make sense. And the choir master will be disappointed. I'm the only one that can coordinate them.
My daughter, did you tell your brother?
Uche? I told him, I knocked in his room and told him that I'm going for choir rehearsal.
If not that is church program, I will not allow you to step out this night. My daughter, I am only concerned. You need to rest. You need to sleep. It's too much.
Mama, I understand. Even me, I am tired. I am tired here. But these are the little things I can do for God. If I say I love God, I must sacrifice. If I don't sacrifice, how will I show my love for God?
No problem. GCKO, my prayer is that God will not leave you empty-handed. God will bless you. Amen. He will give you a man that will love and cherish you.
Amen. Good night. So remember to pray. You lock door. Tell Uche to lock the door.
Okay. Go well, God, may you protect her. Thank you.
I so much love that couple that checked into this hotel.
Why will you not like them?
They are the perfect fit.
You could have been married if you had reduced this.
I beg you, relax, Joe. Can't you see? Fair and black. That's how it's supposed to be now. The man is fair, the woman is black. That's how it's supposed to be now.
The keys. What keys? What key? Oh, sorry, I didn't even know it's you. Sorry.
When your body calling, you must answer. It be like say body want something. You must say yes.
Is that not the chief bridesmaid?
That was her now.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Judge Bush, bring your ear. You don't know that the bride may find another.
What?
Yes.
We have fixed it, and it's now working very well. I can even on it now for you to see.
When you begin move to stop am now, wow. Your head you go there to wange, your let work go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know.
Oh, you can leave now. Thank you.
See, normally I'm not supposed to be playing this hide and seek on my wedding night. I should be with my wife now.
I know. See, I don't know what is wrong with me. I think I'm beginning to fall in love with you.
Hey, no. You have to be fast, and this will be the last one. I can't be doing this, please.
It's okay. I know. Let's just make this one count.
Make what count? You don't even feel anything. Hey, we have to be fast. I need to run back to my wife. Where is my gift?
What? Okay. Oh, the gift. It's in the wardrobe. I'll give it to you.
Where are they? Uche! Where are they? Uche!
Sister.
Come and go. Bring Mama and Sandy. Come and go. Mama, the driver is outside. You get into the car so that you'll not be late. Come and go. Why are you crying? Eh? If I hear pin again from your mouth, she said she doesn't want you in her house. Is that why you are crying? Your father has a house. We have 6 rooms and parlor. We are not living in the bush. Let us go. Yes, Mama. Let us leave our house for her. Come and leave. Hey!
Mama, let's go! I'll find a way back to this city and I'll come with Sandra. No one should play with us for us here. Mama, let us go!
Shut up your mouth! Shut up your mouth! My friend, take her outside! Go!
Yes.
I will slap you now. Don't touch him. Rose,
It's your house.
Rose, don't touch him. Rose, go outside! You see this, your unforgiving heart. You will surely regret it. You will regret it. I will not regret it, Mama.
Yes, we are going.
Take her and go.
Mama, let us go.
Take her and go. Don't touch him again.
Mama, let us go.
Don't touch him again.
Let us go.
Rose, don't touch him again.
Let us go.
Go!
Let us go, Mama, let us go.
You shouldn't have sent your brother home with them.
I needed space. I wanted to be alone. I mean, the only thing I crave for is peace. I just want peace of mind. Like, I don't want anybody around. I just want me, myself, and I in peace.
But you brought this upon yourself. I can remember telling you this. I even told you I caught your sister, but you choose not to believe me, saying she's Holy Mary, mother of what? The truth is that these things would have been avoided if you had opened your eyes well.
Yes. I have learned the hard way. Listen, Jenny, I forgive them. Even Ken. Ken is a good man with a good heart. I mean, I can't be enemies with him because our marriage didn't work out. If I see him tomorrow, I'll still greet him. But I want something better. I mean, we just can't be together as man and wife. It can't work.
It's your life and it's your choice. But believe me, a bird at hand is worth 10 in the bush. Ken is a good man. There are other people out there, other guys out there that are not as good as Ken, but they cheat on their wives. I'm only saying this because I'm concerned about who you will end your life with tomorrow.
If I do not find somebody I like or someone who fits into my criteria, I'll remain single. Better still get pregnant-ish, have a child, and take care of myself and my child. That I'm certain I'm capable of.
You're not serious right now.
I am.
Mazi, good afternoon.
How are you?
No, I am not fine. No, all is not well at all with me. At all.
What is the problem?
No, I don't even know where to start. Sandra has killed me.
What did she do?
No, it's not something that we can stand and discuss.
Let's go to my house and discuss it.
Okay,
Let's go to my house.
it's better. Hi. No. That was what happened.
Children of nowadays, they are not disgusted at doing evil. They wear evil on their fingers like ring. Where is she right now?
She's at home. She has been crying. She feels so sorry.
I'm not talking about Sandy. I'm talking about Rose.
My Rose. As I'm talking to you, Rose is no longer in her husband's house.
This is serious. Tell Sandy to come and see me.
Nai, I will do that. But all I want you to help me do is to beg Rose, at least to take her man back. Before people start talking. Nai, do you know that I almost knelt down for Rose? I pleaded with her to forgive that young man, but she refused.
You feel it's as easy as you think. It's difficult to find a woman who will accept such a man after what happened between him and her sister.
But Nai, I don't want this to continue. People will laugh at me. People will make mockery of me. I don't know where to hide my face. Please help me.
Tell Sandy to come and see me.
I will do just that.
Just
please, thank you.
Thank
you so much.
You're welcome.
Nai, please help me.
I will.
I have to be on my way.
Okay.
Thank you so much once again.
You're welcome.
Nai, please.
I will. Why did you allow the devil to use you to rub mud on the face of our family just like that? Where is your self-respect? How could you? How could you?
Uncle, how I wish I could turn back the hands of time. I would gladly do it. I never knew what I was doing, Uncle. I allowed my emotions control me. It was lack of exposure that did this to me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Well, I'm not here to judge you. But I suggest you write a test to your sister asking for forgiveness. I'll go to her house tomorrow and I'll talk with her.
Uncle, you go to her house and talk to her. Thank you. Thank you so much, Uncle.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. What are families for? It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, Uncle.
We're one family. We should treat our case as one. It's okay. It's okay. I'm Rosie's uncle. Don't you recognize me? I came to see her.
I'm sorry, she's not in.
How can you say she's not in? I saw her in the car while I was sitting at the bar outside.
Uncle, I'm sorry. She's not the person you saw. She's not in.
You mean she's not the one I saw? Okay, let me wait for her.
I'm about to step out. Please. Road traveled to PH this morning.
Okay, let me call her.
Uncle, please, you can make the call outside.
Are you stopping me from seeing my niece?
Uncle, I'm not stopping you. Please, you can make the call outside.
Is this how you people behave in the township?
Please, you can call her outside.
I knew she was inside and she was hearing us. I called, but her phone was switched off.
I am still surprised that my daughter Rose is still angry up till now. It baffles me.
I believe when her anger subsides, she will certainly forgive.
Mazi, I can't wait to see all this whole thing over. I will be the happiest woman on earth.
It will certainly be over.
You people have tried for me so much. I'm grateful.
It's okay. You're welcome.
I have to be on my way now. My regards to your family.
Yeah. What can I say? Just take it easy.
I will.
I'll show you.
I will.
Everything will be alright.
That's the challenge, Papa. I have apologized to her. I have even spoken to our pastor to help me plead with her. But she won't forgive me. I don't know what else to do.
Ken. Why would you do a thing like that? Eh? Why would you do a thing like that? You were keeping your wife while committing abomination with her own blood.
Papa.
Her own blood.
Papa.
No, hold on. Who were you keeping your wife for? For who?
Papa, I know. If I tell you I'm not ashamed of what I did, then I'm a very big liar. I am ashamed of what I did. It's uncalled for. Just help me talk to her, please, Papa. I don't want to lose my wife, please. Please. What I did is wrong. And the face of God and that of men is wrong.
Where do I start from? No, when I get there, where do I start from? How do I begin to talk to them? From where?
You can tell them that what I did is abominable. Just tell them. Tell them I did wrong. And just, please, Papa, please. Please, I don't know what else to say, please. I need my wife back, please.
You give me the address to her house.
I can go with you.
No, there's no need for that. Just give me the address to her house. I'll go alone. Let me see how I can sort this problem out. I mean, there's no problem without a solution. I know that somehow we can sort it out. Though it's oh no, God.
Papa, please. Please.
It's okay.
Please.
It's okay.
Anything to bring my wife back, please. Please. Biko.
It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything will be all right. Let me see what I can do. I'm sure there is something, somehow. There must be a way out. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. Don't worry. I will do what I can. Just go. Let me see how Is there no one in this house?
Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine. Can I help you, sir?
I am looking for Rose. I believe this is where she lives.
She doesn't live here anymore.
Where did she pack to?
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
But how can I locate her office?
I don't know her office. Just call her on phone.
I've been calling her on phone, but her phone has been switched off for quite some time now.
I'm sorry, I can't help you.
Hi. Hold on. You look like someone I saw on her wedding day.
Papa, call her on phone. Call her on phone.
But is there no way you can help me?
I'm sorry, I can't help you, Papa.
But hold on. I went to her place and I met a young lady. And I was told rules were packed out of the place.
That's not true. She lives there. I even saw her yesterday.
Okay. I'll visit her home. I will talk to one or two others. They will help me. I'm sure something must be worked out. This problem has to be solved.
I can go with you if you don't mind.
There's no need for that. No need. I think I can handle this. Don't worry. You see, that is why I have come. To lend my voice to the plethora of voices asking for forgiveness.
I've talked to my daughter, but she refused to listen to me. She refused to forgive that young man. Did you know what my daughter did to me? She sent me out of her house and asked me not to return again.
But that is serious. Very serious. But, excuse me, is there no elder in the family that I can talk to?
Yes, there is. Mazi, of course. But Mazi has tried his possible best, but my daughter did not listen to him. My daughter just took after her father. Unforgiving heart. Unforgiving nature.
Okay, no happens. I will go and see Mazi first. Let me see him and discuss this matter with him. I'm sure we may arrive at something that will help us. I will see him first.
I can't wait to see that all this whole thing come to pass for good. I can't wait. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's all right. Thank you.
That must be the lady I met when I got there. The fact is that she does not want to see anybody.
You see, there must be a way out of this. My son is so remorseful about what he did. He's very sorry. So I've come to you. You can use the kinsmen to draw her back. So we can talk to her. We can discuss with her. You can do that.
I have always tried to avoid issues like this. How this one got to me, I don't know.
Mazi, see, it is only death that has no remedy. Every other issue or problem in life has remedies. That's why I've come to you. Please help me. Let's find a solution to this. I'm begging you. Please. Please.
Okay. I know what to do. I have to call you back another day.
Okay.
Okay. You said you don't want cola.
Leave it for another day. Don't worry. Maz, leave the cola for another day.
Okay.
Let me go. Please, don't forget to call me back. I'm expecting your call.
I'll show you.
From now on, I'll be expecting your call, please.
Sure.
Don't harm my hopes.
Sure.
Please, I'm backing on you. Please.
You're welcome. I know it's the wrong thing to carry about, but I had to. That's why I've come to see you.
Terrible. This must be the reason Sandy came to see me yesterday, but I was too busy to attend to her.
Sandy is a shadow of herself now.
So where's your in-law now?
He's in his house in the village.
Why is he not doing anything to reconcile with his wife?
He has tried, according to Sandy, but Rose has refused to listen or to forgive. Do you know I went to see her, but she asked her friend not to let me in.
This is bad. In that case, you will tell Sandy to see me tomorrow after morning mass, okay?
Yes, I will. Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
I think I should be on my way.
It's okay, it's okay. Take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you.
Keno, when you're cool like this, man. Yo, Ken, let me show you something that'll bust your bubble. More check. Check that axe out, man. Check the EKB. Oh my, look at him. Look at her boo-boos, man. That chick, correct beat, man. You see, Ken, I have a number too, but I don't want to call her now because we're just getting to know each other. I don't want to bother around because I still want to observe her. Like cool baby, not like her.
I'm not interested.
You care for more drinks?
I'm fine.
Okay, maybe call for barbecue and at least that would do.
No, don't worry, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm fine.
The picture I showed you, you didn't say anything. Barbecue, you're still fine. What's going on now? I don't understand you again. Yeah? What's it? Cheer up now, come on. Trouble, no dey finish. Wahala na aluta continua.
could die. I hate to see tears in your eye. I never planned it, I don't understand it. I feel so ashamed of myself. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for old time's sake. For old time's sake. Please forgive me. It's an honest mistake. Baby, you know I never will hurt you. You know I can't live without you. I'm not too proud to beg. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. And you have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for old time's sake. I'm sorry, forgive me for old time's sake.
Why didn't I tell him that we're still married? Why didn't I just give him a hug and then we continue from where we stopped? I mean, it wasn't entirely his fault. I contributed to this mess too. Let me call him and tell him I'm still his wife. Yes, I love him so much. It's late. First thing in the morning, I'll call him. He's the best thing that has ever happened to me. I can't lose him like that.
I'm sorry, forgive me for old time's sake. You have the right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I know I hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for old time's sake. For old time's sake. I feel so sad, I wish I could die. I hate to see tears in your eye. I never planned it, I don't understand it. I feel so ashamed of myself. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for old time's sake. For old time's sake. Please forgive me. It's an honest mistake. Baby, you know I never will hurt you. You know I can't live without you. I'm not too proud to beg. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. And you have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest feel so sad. I wish I could die. I hate to see tears in your eye. I never planned it. I don't understand it. I feel so ashamed of myself. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for all time's sake. For all time's sake. Please forgive me. It's an honest mistake. Baby, you know I never will hurt you. You know I can't live without you. I'm not too proud to beg. Baby, you have the right to be angry with me. And you have the right to be mad. I really hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for all time's sake. I'm sorry, forgive me for all time's sake. Forgive me.
Can't you be awake by now? He's not a deep sleeper.
Hello?
Joe, good morning.
Yeah, Rose, how are you?
Not very fine. I've been trying to reach my husband and I can't reach him.
Really?
Yes. Do you know if he's okay? I mean...
It's okay, it's okay. Let me try myself.
Okay.
But did she just call him my husband? Ken must hear this. Ken must hear this. Hello, Rose.
Hello, Joe, I'm here.
I don't know, you see, Ken was in a very terrible state of mind yesterday. But I did everything possible to, bring him back to his normal self. And he gave me his words that he was fine. I'm surprised he's not picking my calls. Okay, you know what? I'm driving right away to his house, okay? I don't think everything is well with him. Yeah, just put yourself together, okay?
Jesus. Okay, thank you very much, Joe. I'll get back to you.
Alright, so long. Man, what could be wrong? What could be wrong? What could be wrong? Man. Okay, let's see how it goes anyway.
Jesus. Ibe, please come to my house right now. Now. Ibe, just come now. Jesus. Oh.
Ken! 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 Ken!
Wait, I'm here. What happened to him? Ken? Ken?
Ken, talk to me.
Ken!
Talk to me. Ken? Ken! It's Joe.
Dear Rose, you came to me when I have lost hope in woman, thinking that none could be my desire in a woman. You became the best thing that happened to me. My world took a brand new dimension. Now that I have ruined everything, now that I have destroyed my own world with my own hands, where do I live again? It's better I sleep and never wake up. That's why I took overdose of the sleeping pills. Why you read this? Just know that the few months it lasted, you were the best thing that ever happened in my lifetime. I love you, Rose, even in death.
No, we have to get him to a hospital.
What is it?
He took an overdose of sleeping pills.
Oh my God.
Get him up, Ken! Sule!
Call the security. Call the security.
Ken!
Call the security.
Ken! Easy. Ken, hurry, please! Ken! Sule! Sule! Ken! Sule!
Doctor, so what's next? He's in coma, and his chances of survival are very, very slim. Yes. But however, we had to place him on an artificial oxygen tank. And let's see how it goes.
Can I see him?
You just have to calm down. Just calm down. Okay? Just calm down. Oh.
If only I had forgiven him, all this wouldn't have happened.
It's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself.
I just don't know.
You need to relax, Rose. Relax. It's not over yet. He's going to be fine. Let's go home. We can continue tomorrow.
Go home? And leave him here with who?
But the nurses are here. They will take care of him. You've not showered. You've not even eaten. You can come back tomorrow.
There's no way I'm leaving my husband here alone, Juliet.
Please. You need to eat, Rose. You need to eat. Freshen up and we come back tomorrow.
That's not an option. Please, God, forgive me for everything I've done. Forgive me for every single mistake, whether I know of it or not. Please. Please, God, save my husband's life. Don't let him die. Please. I promise you, God, if you save my husband's life, I'll serve you for eternity. Please save my husband's life, God. Please. Please. Just have mercy. Forgive me. Forgive him. Help me save my husband's life. God, please save my husband's life. I will kneel before you till eternity. Please, God. Don't let anything happen to him. Please. Oh, God. If anything ever happens to you, I'll never forgive myself. I was upset, but I love you, and I'm not upset enough to watch you lose this fight or die. Oh my God. It's 3 days now. You haven't changed. Please.
Madam, I will not watch you continue spending your money. You need to join me to the office so that you can sign the necessary documents.
What are we signing? What?
You see, I have seen people wait for their loved ones. After 3 days, the patient doesn't come back to life. Forget it. It won't work unless a miracle happens.
No. He's been here only 3 days. I mean, you have to give him some more days to monitor him and see what happens. I mean, like...
Madam, from experience, it will not work unless a miracle happens. That's all. So you need to follow me to the office and sign the necessary.
Did you see it? Wait. You saw it, right? Did you see it, doctor? You saw?
Yeah.
You saw it? Did you see it?
Yes.
He moved his eyes. You saw it. Did you see it? You saw it?
Yes, ma'am.
He just moved. He moved. He moved.
It's a miracle. Madam, you have to come. Just allow him to rest. Mother, yes, I did, yes. Calm down, you just let him rest. Yes, just let him rest. It's a miracle. I will be back.
I'm sorry, forgive me for no time's sake. Forgive me for no time's sake. Body be like a trailer, we no get break you. When you begin move, to stop am now wow. Your head they go there to wange, your leg to walk go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no one know. When your body calling, you must answer. It be like say body want something, oh. You must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no one know. This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle body, wahala go there, you need some some romance, some ta-ta-ta, some touching. Anyhow we be, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no one know. Scratch it, you must answer. Body calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no one know. When body don't charge you must answer. It's not easy to hold body, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something the hungry am. You must scratch this, scratch you. Body no one know. Hey, body don't hot to. You must answer. See fire. You must say yes, desire. Nothing where you go tell them. Something the hungry am. You must scratch this, scratch you. Body no one know. Scratching, scratching. You must answer. Body needs scratching, no. Servicing, servicing. You must say yes. Just like a motor. Nothing where you go tell them. Something the hungry am. You must scratch this, scratch you. Body no one know. You must answer. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something the hungry am. You must scratch this, scratch you. Body no one know. You must answer. You must say yes, sir. Nothing where you go tell them. Something the hungry